Yeah. Okay, so on this side you can make a how do I describe it? An electron field periodic table. And on this side you can then have a magnetic field periodic table. So here you have your let's see, hydrogen, electron, then your hydrogen magnetic field thingy, so we'll call it a negative electron. I'm making stuff up at this point, but not really. And etc. So when you're measuring an element, you can have a hydrogen electron, let's say 3, a Lewis dot structure. We'll say oxygen electron something random, 7, another periodic Lewis dot structure. Then your hydrogen electron will make it -3, just for the sake of argument. And then what you do now is you can account for the magnetic field component. So now it's going to be, again, just a naming convention: apple, yablaki, pom, fruit key, whatever, fruit. So here I'm going to now just randomly mention the oxygen negative electron, because it's the magnetic field. We'll make it 7 as well. Then here it's going to be the negative electron 4. Then here I'll make a negative electron, negative electron, -8, negative electron -8. So now this can be defined as a bit of an element or something, like a chemist kind of thing. And I'm just going to write some stuff for myself because, yeah, I have problems. Whatever, yeah. So this is just me minding my own business, what I'm writing down. So you don't need to really bother with. You can if you want to, but yeah, whatever. Something like that. So in terms of what I'm writing, sometimes how to describe it, you can have a you know how the s orbital is like one thing, then the p orbital is like 2 things, etc. You can now speak on the s orbital, but it's a bit different. Then on the p orbital, it's a bit of a something like that. Then on other quote-unquote orbitals, you can sort of have this kind of like speech sort of thing, like So that would be that. Then in terms of writing things down, there's this s orbital sort of writing things down. So I'm like writing a picture sort of thing. Basically it's like a mountain with a sort of ocean or lake or sea in the background, then a bit of a planet. So this is a sort of kind of, I'm oversimplifying way of writing things down. And then mnikohojo star sikititijo de bekristo shetojo mtikoso certificatojo tepi hodrojojo viktojo sistku tijo dojojo. Now you have some things in between, like a sort of how can I do this? If you know what this means, you know what this means. If you know what this means, you know what this means, sort of thing. And yeah, that's just about that. Anyway, ciao. Anyway, just kidding. Whatever.